So guys, welcome to the vlog, and today leave a thumbs up
when you like this video
because I got a sexy pants. So today I'm going to show you how to make the slime, the slime, the slime, the slime. So let's get into it. Let's on. Bye. So first, boom.
make a bowl, a plastic bowl, a plastic cup, and some can.
Or you can use a normal mixer. So I'm just gonna get a sexy bowl. No, that's not the plastic. Okay.
This boy.
If you don't have fun, never mind. You can use one of your playing the kitchen set. So I'm gonna get some. Okay, so we got this.
This has stickers.
We got metals.
And use this.
Can we use this?
No.
Why?
I need it.
But it's easily spoiled, and when you cover it will smell. So you need toothpaste. So we are gonna get some toothpaste and then get them. So my sister is gonna get the camera.
What?
My sister is gonna get the camera because she's the fittest in the video. She's the cameraman.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take.
First one, take what? Take the blue.
Sugar.
Sugar? Sure.
Bring the sugar.
Okay, I'm your helper.
So you got this the container with this small. This is the watch container. The China container, which is a lot of Chinese words. Shut up if not read. The glass container. I'll go and get it. So we got some sugar here.
Let's pour it.
Get this. That's see the old rubber band right here. And let's get it out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get it out.
Put in the shop. I mean sugar. Can you pour some more?
No, it's enough. Look. Do you see? Do you guys see it? Never mind if you see it. Put it down. Did you guys see it? That's sugar. Do you guys see it?
Yeah, you don't see it. It's okay. We just tell you we put sugar.
Okay. After you put the sugar,
Next,
You need what we do it?
Glue.
Boom!
Glue. Next, we need some glue because slime is sticky. We
Glue.
have a little bit only because we use until. This is so.
A spider!
A
Never mind.
spider!
Never mind, never mind, never mind.
It's a small, teeny, tiny.
Was it not finished? Okay. It's just a little man. Anymore.
We have.
I'll take the blue one, come.
Okay. Glue, 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 glue.
You can, I think you can also use the glue, the white glue.
Glue.
Okay, here's the glue. So you're gonna use pour it in. Don't pour it too much.
Too much, too much, too much.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. So sticky, man. Go! Take a tissue and go. And then you're gonna put some toothpaste.
A tissue.
Get our toothpaste. Look, it's so juicy. Look. Look at this line. It's almost done,
I
man.
need to put some more.
It's almost done. No, 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 no. It's enough. So we're gonna get some toothpaste. Not toothpaste.
I have my own toothpaste. I scared I waste my toothpaste because my toothpaste is the box is like that only. So I scared I waste it. So we will use our dad and mom one.
Mom's one. With your apostrophe.
Let's go.
Let's cameraman carry this. Cameraman.
Ooh.
Okay.
So
Cameraman going up.
we are going up and take dads and mom.
We got the container with us. Let's go.
Let's go. We are going up and we are not down to do because we need to take toothpaste. So we upstairs and do.
Cameraman.
We will be in brother's room and do slime. Mom is in her own room. Yeah?
你这是我。对，你刚才那网。
Making a video.
So we got. No.
Toothpaste. Toothpaste.
Here's this. There's toothpaste here. Look at.
We have toothpaste.
We undo. They cannot see. Tilt. They still cannot see, man.
Let us show him. I know you cannot see, but it's okay.
Okay, I think it's enough. Can you see it? If you cannot see it, we'll view it. So next and then I can
We can go down and take
no.
the chopstick and store it.
Yeah, because I take
Chopstick
slime,
to the freezer.
not put in the freezer.
I will take it to the tablet. I will show the video. I will take it.
This got a little bit dark, but we have recording for 9 minutes. But it's gonna be worth it. It's
Rather, I think you put too much glue and the toothpaste.
never mind because it's the same amount. So I got some before we are gonna play this program. Do you have chopstick, man?
I don't know. We're gonna
How dare you?
so good. Okay, guys. We need to find a chopstick because all the spoons I scared we eat the glue and toothpaste. Do you know glue and toothpaste cannot eat one? Okay, we got that chopstick.
One more truth.
Wow, it's getting blue.
The slime is getting out.
It's like slime now. Next, now we try to do not video, but okay. Next, now we do one. It did not work. We took too much water. If we never put water
We need to put a little bit.
of water.
Okay. So guys, if you want to see it, here's it. A big reveal. So I think this is a little
Water.
sticky. So you need to get some water.
I will stir it because I am the helper.
I will just put a little bit.
One dip.
The food. Ah.
Man, too
Okay.
sticky.
And then put more sugar. I think.
Okay.
Ah, too much. Okay.
It's too much sugar.
I think it's more sticky when you put the sugar.
Yeah.
So
Sugar is-
success, man.
Sugar
Even
is
though
sweet and sticky.
Even though it's cool, look.
It's blue.
So, okay, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I will do another video because
Later we'll do
Is
it
that-
tomorrow.
this I think has more process. So I'm gonna meet you next time.
I will miss you.
Peace.